Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got a May Ipsy unboxing for you today. So Ipsy did send these to me, so thank you so much to Ipsy for sending these my way. So I have got the Glam bag to share with you, the Boxycharm by Ipsy, and then also the Icon box is the big one on the bottom. So I'm going to be going through these different bags and boxes, opening them up, showing you the products inside. I've got a lot of them on my face, so I'll be able to kind of share some little mini reviews and first impressions with you guys and just do a fun unboxing. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do unboxings, favorites, new at the drugstore, get ready with me, empties, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are chatting about Ipsy and doing a little unboxing, so let's get to it. Okay, so let's start with the Glam bag. I'm gonna try to go quick, and I can't get the bag open, so we're not starting out well. So I'm gonna try to go quick because there's a lot of products in here. I love the bag, adorable, and it's a good kind of like plasticky material that would be, seems like it would be easy to kind of keep clean. I love cute little tiny makeup and cute little tiny products. I think they are perfect for travel, so I'm always excited about cute little tiny products. So I got a couple of skincare products. This is from the new company. This is the Skin Filter Serum. It says phytoretinol. So I kind of tried this sort of here on my face, and it seemed nice. I mean, it's just like a nice kind of, I don't know, serum type of a product. It's like a more kind of gel. Oh, I think I wasted some of the product. I got way too much just out there. But yeah, it feels like kind of just a nice lightweight serum. Oh yeah, kind of like an herbally sort of a scent to it. So I like that. And then I got the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. So you're supposed to apply this all around your eyes. So I've tried this twice now around my eyes, and it has a little bit of like a tint to it. I don't know if you can kind of see, but it's got a little tiny bit of a tint. It's very, very subtle, but more of like a glow to it. I think I would like this more for lighter makeup days because I do feel like sometimes when I use even an eye cream, I really don't apply eye creams a lot around my eyes before my makeup because I feel like it kind of can change how my concealer behaves and applies. So I did notice that with this. So I would apply this more on days where I'm kind of going for lighter makeup and, you know, I'm not so picky about like how my concealer might work and apply, you know what I mean? Where you get what I'm saying. So that's probably when I will use it more. Then I got a highlighter. This is from, looks like Jasmine Beauty, and it's an illuminating highlighter in Oh Mom. That's cute. Love the packaging. Cute little tiny highlighter. I have this up on my cheekbones, but then also on the inner corners of my eyes. This is a really beautiful golden highlighter. And I feel like it's kind of versatile. Like if you apply it lightly, it's not over the top. I mean, it's, you know, kind of more on the subtle side. And then you can kind of build it up. But it's definitely on the golden side. Seems like just a good powder highlighter. I like that. Then I have this on my cheeks. This is the Ciate London Velvet Skin Cream Blush, and this is in Sassy. I love that name. Look how cute this packaging is. I love this packaging. I love little tiny makeup. I've said that 15 times already. But I have this on. I really, really like Ciate London products, and I really like their cheek products. This one, so this cheek I have more texture than this cheek. This cheek I had no blending problems whatsoever. This one I struggled. As I tried to kind of build it up, I kind of struggled to get it even. So I feel like it's one of those blushes that you just kind of want to get the product you want on in one application. You know what I mean? Because it was the building and trying to mess with it that I was finding patchiness with it, particularly on my more textured cheek. So that's what I kind of noticed about it. I do love this color. It's kind of like a rosy, like a rosewood kind of color. It's really beautiful. But like I said, I mean, I was reapplying and kind of, you know, like adding layers to this cheek and I didn't have any issues. So I just kind of noticed it more so on this one, so I had to top it with a powder blush. So yeah, I've noticed I kind of have to play with this a little bit. And then last up in the Glam bag, I got, oh goodness, am I gonna be able to tell what this even is? I got a lip product. I'll try to look it up, but this is in the shade Baby. I have this on right now. I love this. This is beautiful. It's kind of like a lip lacquer sort of a formula. It's a smaller doe foot applicator, kind of an angled, and this is just absolutely gorgeous. It's this really pretty kind of neutral peachy pink, very comfortable. Ooh, like a baby powder sort of a smell, but not in a bad way. Like just a really nice kind of subtle, yummy scent to it. Applied nicely, it's comfortable. I think it looks really nice and flattering on the lips. So overall thoughts on the Glam bag? Love it. I mean, I'm really excited about all these products. But this one I'm gonna have to kind of like tweak it and layer it with other things. Okay, now the Boxycharm by Ipsy box. So this has 5 full-size products in it. So first off, from Frank Body, this is the Coconut Coffee Scrub. It says exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. If you love the scent of coffee, oh my goodness, I think you will love this. So basically you just apply it to your body and massage it on, leave it on for 3 minutes and then rinse it off, and you can use it 2 to 3 times per week for best results. And it's just like a really good body scrub that smells like coffee. It smells amazing. So yeah, nice scrub. I'm excited about that. It says Gommage Cafe Cocoa. I really, really like this. Okay, then I got some brushes. I have not tried these yet because I didn't want to make them look all, you know, dirty looking. But it comes in this little bag. I could see through and see that it has little jewels on it, which is cute. This is what they look like. They've got little jewels on them. These are from, I can't quite read what this says. Something Glam, something Glam. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful little jewels on the side. These feel nice and soft. They're cute. I like the light pink, so got a little brush trio. Then I got from Cab Cosmetics the Hydrating Setting Mist. So I did spray this on my face after I finished my makeup. I kind of covered my eyes. I've since applied some powder just because pretty much every time I go to film, I re-powder my face because I have combo skin. So yeah, the Hydrating Setting Mist. I really like the packaging on this because you click it over to open it. So I like that about it. It has a really good sprayer on it. Like it just, yeah, it works really well. It smells good. I don't know how I would describe that. I don't even know. Almost like maybe coconutty or something, like coconut and a very subtle perfumey scent, but not in a bad way. I'm pretty picky about scents, and I like the way that this smells. It felt nice on the skin. I don't reach for setting sprays a lot to be a setting spray. I usually reach for something like this as like a mixing medium for like, you know, applying my eyeshadow or something like that. So that's probably what I personally will reach for it more for, just because that's kind of how I use a setting spray, but it does seem nice. I like the sprayer, I like the packaging, and I like the scent. Then I got the Dominique Smooth and Blur Setting Powder. This is in translucent, so I do have some of this on, kind of on this part of my face. What I noticed about this is what it looks like. Here is the packaging. I just opened it just barely to get a little bit of product out. So texture-wise on this, it says, use it anywhere that you'd like to set makeup, reduce shine, or prevent creasing, specifically under the eyes, T-zone, and beneath the cheekbones. So this particular shade in translucent is more kind of on the light yellowy side, and I really need more of a neutral pinky toned powder for it to work for me personally, especially under my eyes. So I did try this under my eyes, not today. I tried it yesterday. It was just too yellow and not the right color for me. So I applied it just kind of around the outsides of my face. I like the texture of it. It seems like a nice kind of smoothing powder. It's really more about the color not being ideal for me personally. Then last thing in here, probably my favorite thing just because I love palettes. This is the Iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. Here is the little sleeve for it. And then here is the palette itself. It has a mirror in it. This is so pretty. Really nice color story, I think, for summertime. I mean, that it says that it is beachside. Totally looks beautiful. I do have this on today with something else that I'll share with you in a second. Here are swatches. This is very nice. I mean, I didn't find any blending problems or any issues with it. The metallic shades kind of have different sorts of formulas to them. Some of them are more of that like thicker, really packed down sort of a metallic finish. I don't really know how to describe it, but all of the different like the few different formulas I see in the metallics, all of them are easy to use. It's just kind of I notice they're different. So you might have to kind of tweak your application depending on which one you grab for. Like this Vacay Glow is a little bit more on kind of the smooth side, whereas this one is a little bit more of like I don't want to say tacky, but like that thicker sort of a formula. So just FYI. But there are some really pretty duochrome shades in here that just really catch the light beautifully. It's a pretty palette. I'm happy with it. So that's everything in that box. I would say my overall favorites would be the scrub and definitely the eyeshadow palette. And I also really like the spray too. I think I will definitely reach for that. Okay, and then next up, let's go to the Icon box. This is the one that has 8 full-size products in it. Here is what it looks like. There are a lot of goodies in here, so let's just jump in. I have not tried this out yet. Where do I put this that I can get it out of the way? There we go. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius Brow Serum. I meant to use this last night and I forgot. But it is that kind of, you know, like a brow serum. Beautiful packaging to it. Yeah, so it's got this kind of like a little brush applicator on it. So I still need to remember to use this, but I like Anastasia Beverly Hills products, so I'm sure I will really like it. Then I got a serum. This is the JLo Beauty, That JLo Glow, and it says Tighten and Brighten. So I did try this on my face, and it seems like a nice serum. I mean, skincare, you know, you kind of have to try it out for longer periods of time to know sort of what you really think about it and the effects on your skin, but I didn't have any irritation from it. Seems like a nice kind of light serum sort of a texture to it, and the packaging is very pretty. That's like fancy and beautiful looking, like it would look pretty set out on your counter, so that's really fun. Okay, then I got some other skincare items. The Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. So I did try this night before last, and it says Refining Enzyme Mask, Red Seaweed and Fruit Enzymes, gently resurfaces, soothes, hydrates, refines, clarifies. So, and it says friendly for all skin types. So I tried it out, and yeah, it's this kind of like jelly sort of a texture to it. And I liked it. I didn't have any irritation. I like the idea of all the things it's doing. Resurfacing, soothes, hydrates, refines, clarifies. That kind of sounds like all the things that you would want to sort of like restart your skin or something. So I like it. First impressions, it seems really nice. Then I got the Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. And it says it's for all skin types, hyaluronic acid, love, ceramides, super love, and then it says Ultimate Hydration Bio Ferment, and it says Nutrient Complex Heals, Detoxifies, Strengthens. Ceramides is a skincare ingredient that I have been loving lately. I've seen definite changes in my skin, positive changes in my skin since kind of concentrating on using ceramides more. So I love the idea of this serum. It's really a cream. Yeah, it's a cream. This feels like kind of in between a gel and a cream sort of a texture, but I like it. It feels very hydrating. I didn't have any irritation or problems with it. I'm very excited about this. I know I will definitely keep reaching for it because it's got ingredients and skin goals that I am looking to use for sure. Then I got the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. So I have tried this a couple times now. This packaging is adorable. I love this sort of ombre look. That's so cute. Let's see what it says about it. Visibly brighten dark circles and depuff tired looking eyes with this lightweight hydrating eye gel cream. It has, it says it's packed with a potent yet gentle blend of 10% encapsulated vitamin C complex, 3% niacinamide blend, which I love, firming peptides, and green caffeine to hydrate, depuff, and illuminate eyes for a wide awake look. I like this. Seems nice. It has a little pump applicator on it. Kind of has almost like a pinky look to it. And it's nice. It has a good texture to it. It absorbed nicely. I used it at nighttime and I was happy with kind of how my eyes were looking in the morning. So first impressions on it, I really like it. Now this I was not a fan of. I have this on, but I had to apply something over it because I just couldn't get the look on my lashes that I was wanting. This is the MAC Magic Extension 5mm fiber mascara, and it says ditch your false lashes. You're supposed to get exaggerated volume. Your lashes are supposed to look longer, fuller, and lifted. Surreal volume and length. I really did not find that. Maybe it's just the way I apply mascara or my preferences or the way my lashes are. I don't know. But this kind of it's a gloopy sort of a formula, which I really usually do not mind. I usually like that in a mascara because that usually means good volume and kind of vavoom looking lashes. But I just couldn't get very much length with this. I would say yes, I got volume, but length I just could not get. I like the shape of the brush, but I just, yeah. Maybe paired with something else, like use this for the volume, but then use something else for the length. But overall, I just could not get this to work for me personally. Then I got the Too Faced Killer Liner, 36-hour, non-flaking, transfer-resistant, total control, 36-hour waterproof liner. I think the packaging is really pretty on this. It's like a matte black with the pink, very pretty. So I have this on right now, and I kind of lifted it up and kind of did like a little wing liner with it. This seems nice. It is a black liner, which I don't really reach for black pencil liners very often, but this one does seem nice. Like there it is, kind of lightly applied. There it is with a little bit more texture. It's a nice sort of a gel formula that is not overly creamy, meaning like it's like this good balance of it didn't drag on my eyes to apply it, but then it wears well. You know what I mean? Like it's not too moving around, but then it's not too dry. It was right in the middle, which I really like. It's a nice black looking liner. It seems to wear really well. I was able to get a good wing with it. I just kind of used a little brush to sort of flick it up a little bit. Had a little bit of playtime with it, but then it set really well. So I like that. And then last up, I got a little palette, which I'm so excited about. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam 2. So here is the box for it. This is cute. It's got that kind of like fuzzy packaging to it, so that can kind of get a little bit dirty, but I'm used to that with Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. I love their shadows. I really, really like their formula. Pigmented, beautiful on the eyes. So I mainly have just a tiny little bit of this and a little bit of this on the inner part of my eyes. This kind of more on the outside. So I love a little tiny palette, and I love their formula. Look how pigmented and beautiful these are. I'm really happy. I'm excited about this palette. I'm so glad this was in there, and I know I will be reaching for it. I mean, you could do a nice smoky eye or kind of a lighter everyday eye. So pretty. Love it. So yeah, overall, I really like this box. I would say standout favorites, the palette, this cream. I like that with the ceramides. I like this mask. I really like all the skincare things. Like I really like this too. I'm happy with the liner. So yeah, I mean, overall good box, but those are kind of my standout favorites. All right, you guys, so those are all the goodies that I got in my Ipsy boxes and bag. So hope that you really enjoyed this video. Please do a thumbs up if you did. If you want to sign up for Ipsy, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. If you subscribe to Ipsy, I would love to know what you got or what you're excited to get. Let me know that down below. Ask any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video.